You're the strong one. I can't even.
No mistake, no pressure.
Be careful when you open these because they won't let you return them unless they're in their original boxes. So. Ooh, leather. Let's take them out and see.
Yeah.
It has like it looks like a hinge to
Yeah.
snap it back.
Interesting. I want to see how that will work out.
Ooh, kind of
That's the
dirty.
some whatever stuff on there.
What do you think of the color?
I think the color's alright. Oh no! Oh no! It has a cut.
Where did that come from?
So we talked to Burrow and then said they will replace the pieces that has issues. So we're just gonna sit them all up and then let them know which ones need to be replaced. We're unboxing 2 armchairs. Here is the arms down there. There's the 2 seats, so 2 of them, and some pillows for it on that side.
Here's our lovely armchair seats. Ooh, it's pretty light. This is the brass arms. Brass armchair. I don't know if people would be bothered by this, but some of them have like little scratches on the legs. I mean, you probably won't be able to really tell because of course it sits under.
Yeah, we have.
But these need to be cleaned up because I don't want them all over our nice new couches.
Yeah, they are looking really dirty and has some rust looking stuff. We'll see how that look like after we wipe them down real quick. See what's in.
And then in this little white box, it looks like you have a cord.
Ah, the USB.
Yep.
This couch has USB. I don't know how that's gonna plug into the couch.
You have to read the instructions. Mix these up. So you want to explain that?
Yeah, they put a sofa menu in a seat box and they put a seats menu in the sofa box. And not just a menu, the legs
too.
all the legs parts were in the wrong box.
We thought we were getting extra, but we found out it actually goes with different parts. So
Yeah.
they mixed up the boxes. Push down to ensure that the seats are fully folded down.
This is folded down,
And then unfold it.
unfolded.
Here's the armrest.
This is going to be hard.
They sure never make it easy, do they?
I need to push
And you thought I could do this.
This is they want you to push it till it's flush. That's gonna be really hard. Okay. Alright, let's put the other arm in and we can try to push it in further.
What a workout, isn't it?
It's not easy for the first time. Each of these, one
It
of
has
these,
the cord.
this is where the USB, I guess, and the plug-in to the plug-in. Each of these will have a USB plug-in for your cell phones or iPads or whatever.
Those little rubber ends that you can see right there, we've already had one pop off.
They come out
That's
really,
from moving them.
yeah, they come out really easy when you drag it across your carpet.
Be careful.
Don't
So
lose
they
them.
pop
They're
out.
clear, hard to see, and they pop out.
Little things so they don't scratch your floor, which is nice. Ooh.
Whoa.
Okay.
It's not as light as it appears.
Yeah,
Look,
there you go.
it has the 2 sides. They say you can use the one with this design, or the one with flat.
Which one do you prefer?
I don't know. But for the leather one, there's only flat. There's no non-flat.
Turn it again over. Let's see which one we like the most.
I think I like having a little more like this.
Here it is. And you can put them.
The other
Right
way.
here.
That's a zipper side.
I thought that was a design. Here we go. There it is. We're worried about
like
this couch combination color because from everything that we've seen online, we're like, that color doesn't look very good. But I'm pretty happy with the choice we made on this couch.
Yeah, it is really
really
nice.
nice.
That means a hole here. Like
they're supposed
that or that. So I'm just going to go have a homemade a hole. Yes.
Pivot.
Yeah.
Which way?
You will know. Oh, the other way wouldn't work. That black on all the other side.
Ta-da! My thinking is, let's try those pillows out just for the heck of it. Do you like it with the pillows?
Yeah.
Anyways, if you liked our video, please like and subscribe. Stay tuned. We're doing lots of remodeling that are going to be happening, and of course redecorating our place and other houses.